Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn on or connect your Bluetooth with Roku TV. So make sure to follow this step-by-step process and you will be able to connect your Bluetooth. So here as you can see, this is the official Roku support website and they have added a complete section of how to turn on Bluetooth pairing and connect your phone to your Roku device. So before we move on to your connecting process, here are the devices that are listed, which Roku devices are compatible. You can see these are the devices which are compatible. So make sure to pause the video or whatever and note these devices that either your device is in the list or not. And here is a note like Roku Ultra models like this and these like 4640 and Roku Ultra LT model 4662 are not compatible. So make sure to confirm your Roku TV model from here, and once you confirm the model, so that is the next step, how to pair your Bluetooth device. So press the home on your Roku remote TV, like you got a remote of Roku remote. So just click on the home button, and once you click on home, scroll and select settings. Like basically go to home, go to settings, and from settings select remotes and devices. And once you're into the remotes and devices, select smartphones and tablets, as this is the option where you will be able to find like the Bluetooth. Add a new smartphone or a tablet. This is basically a kind of similar to the Android phone on an iPhone or like any other tab or anything. So just go to the settings, remote connections, smartphones and tablets, and add a new smartphone on tablet, and you will be able to do it. Like to complete the pairing process, please follow the steps below when pairing screen on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Like open Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, wait a moment for your Bluetooth device to scan the devices and discover your Roku device. Select the Roku device from the list and just connect it. So that is a simple and easy process. Like make sure to follow this process on the Roku TV, and make sure to follow this process either on your phone or like PC or laptop, and you will be able to pair your Bluetooth device with Roku TV. So that is a simple and easy process.